Assalamu alaikum, LinkedIn family. Few days back, Ma'am Tima posted a beautiful motivational video in which she asked a question in the end for those people who were actually finding the question that why everything is so hard to get, why not easy to get. So Ma'am Tima asked a simple question at the end of the video to motivate, to keep the people motivating, that what it would be feel like if it would have been easy to get. It's a very good question, right? It's a very good question in if you are trying to get something and it's really easy to get. That's where it comes an Ikea effect. So what is an Ikea effect? Ikea effect is basically a phenomenon which says that people will only have satisfaction if they will get something in a hard way, not in an easy way. That is, people will be satisfied of getting a job done if it was hard to get the job done. Let me give you an example to explain Ikea effect. Suppose you are invited to sit in a pond, a small pond about my size, 6 foot tall, a pond, and you are asked to stay in the pond for the rest of your life to get everything what you want. Anything. Ask about anything. Like money, cars, anything. How would you feel? Maybe first 2 wishes you will be very enthusiastic and happy. Yes, I want this, get it done. But after third or fourth wish, you'll be like, no, this is not how I wanted to live. There's nothing satisfaction. There's no satisfaction. Why there's no satisfaction? There's no satisfaction because it was easy to get and you have no ownership whatsoever on that thing. And whatever you get, it's just you're seeing and it's happening. So where is that Ikea effect? The effect of satisfaction that this is what I get because I worked hard for it. That's the difference between getting a thing very easily, you have no ownership whatsoever of that own thing. But if you get something in a hard way or very difficultly, you work very hard, you will be the few people to get that thing, and you will have the actual satisfaction that I did it, Arslan Humayun did it, you did it. So let me know in the comment section down below what do you think about an Ikea effect and what you like to have, an easy job done or a hard job done, and why you chose that option. Assalamu alaikum, signs out.